This is how you read the alerts that will be given when you enter a 0DTE trade that you'll be receiving in your email, or if you're on the Discord server to get these every day. So pretty much about a minute or 2 minutes after market open, you'll see it's up your channel for 0DTE. Have a money bag recommendation for that date. It'll be either SPY or SPX depending on the day. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, SPY will be traded. Tuesday and Thursday, SPX will be traded. Next, we'll say the type of strategy we're using. IC means an iron condor. PCS means a put credit spread, where you sell a put and then buy a put even further away. And then CCS means a call credit spread. You sell a call and buy a call even further away. These are the strike prices. So for this particular trade, you would sell the 390 put, buy the 385 put, also sell the 402 call, and buy the 407 call. This will be the premium you want to receive as a credit. So in this day, we received a credit of 0.18. That'll be an $18 credit. And then we're putting a stop loss to prevent max loss and blowing up our accounts. So we're going to do a stop loss at 0.6. So if the stock goes against us, we will get out early to mitigate our losses.